You're going to need some quartz crystals, some earring hooks, some copper 18 gauge wire, and some jump rings. Start off by cutting two 12 inches of wire. Fold the wire and make a loop in the middle with your round tip pliers, then twist once. Center your quartz in the middle. Then take the end and twist it twice the opposite side, and then do the same for the other side. Trim off both sides to make it equal. And then with your round tip pliers, keep twisting to the inside until you get a spiral. Do the same for the other side. It should look something like this. Open up your earring hook and insert your quartz. For this one, you're going to need some tiny bottles, baby breath flowers, 18 gauge wire, some hooks, and some X600 jewelry glue. Start off by cutting some baby breath flowers. And then insert the flowers inside the bottle. Apply the E600 glue and then secure with the corks. Then again, cut two 12 inches of wire. Fold the wire and make a loop in the middle with your round tip pliers, then twist once. Center your bottle in the middle, then grab one end and then bring it to the opposite side in the crease. Do the same thing to the other side. Turn it around and make an X in the middle. Then do the same thing to the bottom. Bring up the wires to the other side. Try to make the bottom as flat as possible. And then turn it around and again do the same thing to the other side. Bring both sides to the crease, then trim off to make it equal. Just like the other ones, with your round tip pliers, keep twisting the inside until you get a spiral. Twist the loop once more to make it more secure. Open up your fish hook and then attach your jar. Next, you're going to need some polymer clay. I'm using Scoopy Primo, beading wire, quartz crystals, jump rings, some cookie cutters, and E600 glue, and some earring posts. Flatten your clay and cut two pieces with a circle cookie cutter. And then another two pieces with a small oval cookie cutter. With your circle cookie cutter, make the circle shapes into crescent moons. Align the oval shapes to the moons, then poke some holes for the jump rings and poke another hole at the bottom for the quartz. A tip to get rid of fingerprints and lint: take a Q-tip and dip it in rubbing alcohol, and gently rub the affected areas. Bake your clay as directed in the package. In the meanwhile, cut 2 8-inches of wire, and we're going to do the same exact thing as we did with the copper crystal earrings. Again, fold the wire and make a loop in the middle with your round tip pliers, then twist once. Center your quartz in the middle. Take the end and twist it twice the opposite side. And then do the same for the other side. Trim the wire, leaving some space to make a spiral. Do the same to the other side. Again, with your round tip pliers, keep twisting the inside until you get a spiral. Same thing for the other side. With a jump ring, attach both your moon and oval shapes. With another jump ring, attach your crystal quartz. Turn them around and apply E600 glue to your posts and attach them to the back. Let them dry for an hour or more.